Excuse me. Okay, so this is the open of the bell in the morning, and I started having a lot of issues with the platform, with the hotkeys. Let me apologize in advance because you guys are gonna see how much trouble I started having. This is like the fifth time I've been having issues with this. Instead of the hotkeys working on stock options, it like basically instead of it executing contracts, it executed stocks. As you can see, the first buy order was for 1 share, and I didn't want that, and I wanted to flatten the position. And as soon as I flattened it, it immediately made my P&L go into a negative 4K. So I'm trying to figure out to make sure that the platform is actually doing what I need it to do. And after a while, as you will see, I'm just so stressed out right now that I'm trying to flatten it, and I didn't realize I already flattened the position. And I'm still trying to like execute it for options contracts. And I'm just so confused. I'm all over the place here, double checking that the 1 share is closed, and I'm trying to fix a problem while at the same time trying to open the options order so that I can execute the options contract for the open bell. And I'm already pretty much like, if not halfway into the halfway late into the position. As you can see, I believe I already executed it, but I'm not even sure if I executed it correctly. Alright, one is open, and one is open, as you can see right there. It's opened. It seems to be filled. So now I'm minimizing things to simplify things for me, and now I have to worry about recover this negative 4K position from my P&L open, which is going to take a very long time to do. And because I am so late in the entry, that not only I'm down 5K, I'm also down over 500 on the open because I got in way too late. I'm gonna apologize to you guys in advance that this video is kind of long, but I just wanted you guys to know or see um, what my platform, Thinkorswim, has been basically screwing me up completely. Like I said, this is the 5th time. And what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna switch brokers and platform as well, because for me to try to trade carefully, with discipline and cautiousness, and the platform throws me off this much, this is not it's not right. It does take me a while to get back into the normal position or positive, but I just wanted you guys to see what the actual platform did, how it threw me off, and all the things I needed to do to close the 1 share position for INTC and open options contracts for INTC. It eventually worked out, but the position is still negative on the day, not on the open. But of course, this is not acceptable. And mind you, I believe I may have already mentioned this in prior videos, because I get into the contracts, excuse me, far out the money. It takes a little bit for the position to react and adjust as the stock price moves into my favor. So I do not know if Charles Schwab, Thinkorswim, is fixing this ongoing issue, but it's still unacceptable. So until I actually switch, I will be even though it takes a lot longer to do manual trades, it's actually the safest method as opposed to using hotkeys. Let me give you guys a quick heads up. Been a couple days I haven't posted because I've been a little bit busy with other things. However, I do plan to keep on posting, even though doing what I need to do. trade is not easy. I believe I may have mentioned this to you guys before. If you guys are wondering, the only reason why I get in so far out the money is because with contracts, is because it's cheaper, and and there isn't as much capital needed to trade. But the only thing that really is a bummer is that the P&L, if the stock does not move as fast as it usually does at the open bell, then it's more it's easier, better that way. But after, like, I want to say at least 30 minutes after the open bell, there isn't as much noise, and the stock basically it settles itself, and it starts its price action accordingly. But it takes a lot longer for it to make a decent move, to whether on the upside or the downside. Because it's, even though I've tried trading penny stocks, it's very scarce out there to find penny stocks that you can trade, and it being options available or enabled. As you can see, I'm now changed a huge negative position into a starting positive position. Now that it's getting, now that it's creeping to 10 a.m., the noise has basically subsided, and the stock is reacting according to all the volume being traded. I guess what I'm gonna have to start doing for you guys and for myself as well is make my my videos a little bit shorter, because it's taking just a bit longer to show you guys the process and show you how the open P&L reacts to how the price action is going. So I'll try to keep the videos down to, like, I don't know, I'd say probably anywhere from 20 to like 25 minutes or something. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible for you guys. Among other things as well. So just bear with me. I do hope that you guys enjoy the content I'm showing you guys, and hopefully you guys can learn a thing or two of what I'm showing. As you can see, I'm about to close the position. And I'm believing that the stock will do a reversal. So I'm getting to a call. Since it's not like executing as fast as I would like it to, because I don't want to miss the entry, and because the price action isn't as volatile as I like it to. You see, it just, instead of executing a contracts position, see another stock, and I don't need stock. I need an options contract. So I go back to the options chain, manually get in 20 contracts. And the one stock, as you can see right there, I need to close that position as soon as possible. Alright, I'm gonna close the one stock. The one stock officially closes, you can see on the top left hand side. And the contracts should be executed, but I already know I got in way too late. And I have no idea how much longer I have, which either way it doesn't really matter because I got in way too late on the reversal. But yeah, in my current situation, it's just better to get in and out manually than using hotkeys. So that is my issue that I'm dealing with in Thinkorswim platform. I'm actually trying to get in on a second options contract for another 20 to see if the open P&L adjusts a little bit more aggressively. Because mind you, I still have over 4,500 to recover. which I have a long way to go to fix this problem. I'm trying to see the support, whether it's gonna break the support or continue going at it, continue going towards it, and move higher and make higher lows, or I'm sorry, lower highs. And if it does actually like break the support, I will be forced to close with another smaller position, especially since the price action isn't as volatile right now, or the price isn't moving as fast as I like it to move. I do wait a little bit to see if it continues staying at the support level, so it can make higher lows, and it continues going higher. But as you can see, it takes a little bit of time. I do believe that if it goes to 108 and breaks it and goes higher, then I got a better chance of actually holding the position. And I start coming to the conclusion that it's not gonna go very much higher, and I'm not trying to wait that much longer for you guys. So as you can see, I'm gonna close the position down. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless and be safe. like, subscribe, and comment.